Also recommended minimum clearances published by the Energy Networks Association. The law requires that work may be carried out in close proximity to live power line hardware only when there is no alternative and only when the risks are acceptable and can be properly controlled. You should use this guidance to prepare a risk assessment that is specific to the site. Businesses and employees who work near to an overhead line must manage the risks. Overhead line owners have a duty to minimize the risks from their lines and, when consulted, advise others on how to control the risks. The line owner will usually be an electricity company, known as a transmission or distribution network operator, but could also be another type of organization, such as Network Rail, or a local owner, like the operator of a caravan park. Good management, planning and consultation with interested parties before and during any work close to power line hardware will reduce the risk of accidents. This applies whatever type of work is being planned or undertaken, even if the work is temporary or of short duration. You should manage the risks if you intend to work within a distance of 10 meters, measured at ground level horizontally from below the nearest wire. Remove the risk. The most effective way to prevent contact with power line hardware is by not carrying out work where there is a risk of contact with, or close approach to, the wires. Avoiding danger from overhead power lines. If you cannot avoid working near an overhead line and there is a risk of contact or close approach to the wires, you should consult its owner to find out if the line